Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn everything about a car exhaust system. So, अगर मैं बात करूं एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम क्या होता है, तो ये एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम की ही लैंग्वेज बता रही है कि एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस को रिमूव करेगा बाहर की तरफ। जैसे कि घर में एक एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम लगा होता है, अंदर की हवा बाहर फेंकता है। सो दिस इज based on that simple concept, a car exhaust system also works on the same concept. So generally एक इंजन के अंदर कंबशन होता है और कंबशन के दौरान दो चीज़ें निकलती हैं एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक में। एक होता है हार्मफुल गैसेस और दूसरा होता है नॉइस। तो कार एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम का काम इन दोनों को ख़त्म करने का होता है। तो जनरली अ कार एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम कंप्राइजेज ऑफ टू पार्ट्स। तो पहला होता है कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर, जिसे हम फैक्ट्री या आम भाषा में हॉट एंड कहते हैं, और दूसरा होता है मफलर या साइलेंसर, जिसे हम कोल्ड एंड कहते हैं। सो ये होता है स्ट्रक्चर। दिस इज हाउ अ कार स्ट्रक्चर beneath द कार लुक्स लाइक. So first one is a engine under the hood of the car or under a bonnet. Then there is a catalytic converter, first major component that is directly mounted on the engine, and that is why it is called a hot end, because engine is very hot and it makes this components also very hot by transferring its gases, hot gases into this. Then there are few smaller components, hangers and all. Then a second major component is a muffler, which works well to reduce noise. So and other than this is the tailpipe, which is finally visible outside the car. So now what is a catalytic converter or a hot end? Now जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि इंजन में कंबशन होता है, पिस्टन ऊपर नीचे मूव करते हैं और 4 स्ट्रोक होते हैं। तो लास्ट स्ट्रोक के अंदर जो दो चीज़ें निकलती हैं वो होती हैं टॉक्सिक गैसेस, जो कि गैसोलीन या डीजल के फ्यूल बर्न करने के कारण होती है, और दूसरा होता है नॉइस, जो कि पिस्टन की मूवमेंट्स में से निकलता है। तो ये दोनों की दोनों चीज़ें कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर से पास होके जाती हैं। तो पहला, दिस इज हाउ अ कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर लुक्स लाइक ऑन द आउटर कवरिंग, एंड दिस इज द कट सेक्शन ऑफ अ कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर in which mat is visible and a monolith, which is a main component in its working, and we'll discuss its working in our later slides. So now we will understand types of catalytic converter. Now there are two primary kinds of a catalytic converter. First is a two-way catalytic converter, जो कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में 1980s तक ही मौजूद था, एंड इट ओनली हैड अ ऑक्सीडेशन कैटलिस्ट विच इज़ इट्स स्पेशलिटी, एंड इट कैन ओनली कन्वर्ट कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. But now a three-way catalytic converter is still being used because it performs a reduction catalyst as well. I mean, it has an oxidation catalyst as well as a reduction catalyst and carry two reaction, oxidation and reduction. So it is specialized in converting nitrogen oxide to nitrogen and oxygen gases. Now with a pictorial representation, it will get more clear to you. A two-way catalytic converter can convert carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons to CO2 and H2. Now a three-way catalytic converter can convert carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides into less harmful gases. So now let's see what are the components of a catalytic converter. An inlet flange directly mounted on the engine. This is the flange, and this is very hot because it is directly mounted on the engine. Inlet manifold, this is also hot. This full component gets hot when the harmful and hot gases passes through this. A sensor boss, a mat, a monolith, again a main components, which is a secret, and its recipe will be shared in our next slide. Then a case, a cone, outlet pipe and an outlet flange. Outlet flange is then connected to another pipe and then connected to a muffler. Now let's understand the working of a catalytic converter. जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बताया बार बार, एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक के दौरान कंबशन होता है इंजन के अंदर, और एग्जॉस्ट स्ट्रोक के दौरान दो चीज़ें निकलती हैं, हॉट गैसेस और साउंड वेव्स, और ये जाती है कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर के अंदर थ्रू एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस, एग्जॉस्ट वॉल्व लाइक हेयर. एंड नाउ पार्शियल कंबशन की वजह से कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर में मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस प्रोड्यूस होती है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स और नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड, जो कि काफ़ी हार्मफुल है. और इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है monolith. Now first monolith has a honeycomb structure and microducts consisting of platinum and rhodium coating like this, and second monolith have a coating of platinum and palladium. These are very expensive materials which whose coating makes this monolith very expensive component, and whole component is expensive due to the coating of this monolith. Now, when gases like nitrogen oxides and carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons enter first monolith component, platinum and rhodium acts as a catalyst, and it converts nitrogen oxides into nitrogen and oxygen. Then gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons are then passed to our second monolith, which in which platinum and palladium acts as the catalyst. Now carbon monoxide and oxygen are reacts and converts it into carbon dioxide, and then hydrocarbons and oxygen reacts, it converts into water. So now exhaust gases become very less toxic, and only carbon dioxide, water and nitrogen comes out of the exhaust uh, component, and then this part is then connected to the muffler. Now let's understand what a silencer or a muffler is. As the name suggests, silencer, it is a part of a vehicle exhaust system which is visible from the back on the rear side of a vehicle and is located at the rear side, and its main work is to damper vehicle emissions and engine noise, and ये generally steel or aluminum coated होते हैं. This is how exhaust system beneath the car looks like. These components, silencers, are visible from rear side of the car, and this is generally not visible. So before understanding how a muffler works, let's see how sound is produced. Sound is a pressure wave formed by vibrations. Okay. Now these vibrations are pulses of alternating high and low air pressure. So every time your exhaust valve opens, a very high pressured gas entered into the exhaust system. These high pressure gases will collide with low pressure molecules and create pressure waves and travel through the exhaust system. So this is the sound wave coming from the engine, and this is the muffler which dampens the noise and cancels out each other, and its working we'll see in our next slide. So now a muffler consists of a chamber of different sizes. These are the chambers. Okay. Now the gas first passes into the first chamber, which is this one, and now it consists of a perforated pipe. Perforated means a pipe with the holes. Now it works on the simple principle of positive and negative cancelling out each other. Similarly, a sound cancels particle cancels each other. Now, after striking out to the muffler walls, some low intensity sound cancels out each other. Others come out from perforated pipes and then cancels out each other. Now, sound wave with more intensity passes into the second chamber and destroys by colliding the walls of the muffler. Now, more intensity sound waves enters to the third chamber, and back and forth, it also cancels out. The loudest sound waves are made to pass through a resonator, which is this, and in this a mat is also there which dampens the sound clearly, and then the less harmful gases and the less noise particles passes through the tailpipe from the car's tailpipe. So this is how a full car exhaust system works, with two major components, a catalytic converter and a muffler. So I hope I was able to make you explain completely what a car exhaust system is. Keep tuning into my channel for more such videos. Thank you and bye bye.